Okay, hi guys. I just wanted to show you the storm dinner because it looks bomb. So good. I basically just used crackers and then I put avocado on them and I have baby arugula on top. And then over here I used peppers and I just stuffed them with rice and chicken, Parmesan cheese, and put it in the microwave. But it smells so good. Hey guys, welcome back to a week of my life at college. Today's Monday, it's about 11. I had class this morning and I just went to pick up packages and I'm very excited about what's in them. I'll do a little quick unboxing, but this week is going to be pretty busy, I'd say. But yeah, I just felt like picking up the camera again, and I'm excited for the week. Okay. Offset active. I had a gift card, so I ordered a tank top. Ooh, I really like the color. I'm excited to see how it fits. Okay, good. It's like the same material as the t-shirt that I have, but it's just like a fitted workout tank top. I'll try it on. And then ordered a dress reformer urban. It's so pretty. I hope it fits. Fingers crossed. Looks, you can't really see the whole thing, but basically it looks like a painting. But yeah, looks very pretty. From Amazon, I got matcha powder because for Lent I'm going to switch from coffee to matcha, and at some point I'll show you guys the matcha recipe that my roommate and I do in the vlog. These are some more disposable masks. I just got black ones this time. I also got white ones, but they haven't come yet. So yep, that's all that I ordered. Let me show you guys my outfit quickly. And okay, so I'm wearing my favorite graphic t-shirt. I thrifted this with a white turtleneck under, just some gold jewelry. Oh my god, it's like all twisted. But anyways, some gold jewelry. And then my leather pants, also thrifted, but I feel like you can find them in a lot of places. And then just with white sneakers, which I feel like I'm always wearing. Hair in a clip as usual, but it's kind of gross. Okay, I wanted to show you guys the set tank top because it's literally perfect. I got a size extra small. It fits just like the t-shirt that I have, but like obviously it's a tank top. I'm super happy with it, and I actually kind of like the brown with this, with like the black leather for some reason, so I feel like this could be a potential outfit. But anyways, I'm obsessed. Set is my favorite. It's like tight actually on your like midsection, if that makes sense, and it's just like supportive and like comfortable. Guys, good morning. It's about 8 and I just got dressed in my gym outfit, leggings and just a white tank top and white sports bra, drinking matcha and ready to start the day. Okay, I wanted to show you guys my True Balance because it looks so good. I just got quinoa, red peppers, butternut squash, beets, broccoli, and then quinoa, and it's like a lemon dressing. I'm gonna add some hummus to it as well. But yummy lunch. guys, I just wanted to show you my outfit quickly before I change. It's like noon, I'm going to cycle class, and then it's super nice outside, so I can't quite tell, but it's very warm, so I'm gonna put on probably shorts and a tank top. But this is my outfit this morning, just very comfy sweatpants and the shirt I'm always wearing from Set Active. I just put my hair up in a ponytail. But yeah, it's been a productive day so far. I've just been doing lots of homework. Also my phone. It's just very unfortunate. Okay, hi, I'm about to head out. I'm walking to Colloquium to get a flatbread. I just got back from my cycle class and I showered, but this is the outfit and you want to
another one? What's going on?
You guys are like posing. Why are you posing? It's a video.
It's a natural. Natural? Oh.
I mean, I can.
I'm not natural. Take a picture.
Go.
Lean in. I'm gonna put my sunglasses on.
Hey guys, it's 7:20. I just decided to make dinner in the room tonight, but I honestly have barely any school to do. I feel really caught up, which is so nice because tomorrow's a wellness day. We have a super cute picnic idea planned. I'll probably take the camera along because it's gonna be literally adorable. I'm so excited. Also, the weather is just beautiful yesterday, today, tomorrow, which really helps just get things done and be in a good mood. I'm gonna make a little acai bowl in the dorm room because I'm really feeling a smoothie right now. I've wanted one all day because it feels like the beach outside. It's literally so nice. So anyways, I'm gonna do that and probably go to bed early, FaceTime my friends. So yeah. I wanted to show you guys the finished product. I just made a base with blueberry, mango, banana, almond milk, and then I put all the toppings on, but she looks delicious. We got pizza from, what is it called? This place, and it looks magnificent. Good morning, guys. It's like 8:15. I just got up like 15 minutes ago, but this morning I have a class at 9:40, so right now I'm just trying to kind of take things slow and just have a nice chill morning. So I'll show you guys that. I just put on a sweater because it's a little bit chilly out today, and then leggings because I'm going to cycle class later this afternoon. But yeah, it looks a little bit cloudy, gross outside, which is honestly okay because yesterday was absolutely beautiful. But I'll show you guys. I'm super excited about my new matcha cup, and yeah.